Hi guys, welcome back to my Jewish cooking and baking show where we learn how to make all my childhood favorite foods. Today we are making a brisket for Passover. I have my Dutch oven over here and I'm just gonna put my brisket in here. I've been preheating it on medium high and I'm gonna sear both sides of this. I'm gonna wait till this gets more brown and then I'll flip it over and do the other side. I'm almost done browning our brisket. Sorry, it's pretty loud. I'm just making sure that I get the sides as well. This is how it should look when you're done. I put this on a plate and now I'm just gonna set this aside and we're gonna saute our onions. I'm just waiting for my pot to cool down a little because I don't want to burn my onions. I'm going to add in a little bit more oil and a bowl of onions. I needed to pause filming for a second because I set off our smoke detector. This is almost done cooking, but while I'm waiting, I'm just going to go ahead and pour myself a glass of non-alcoholic wine. Cheers. Now that my onions are mostly browned, I'm going to add in my other ingredients. This is what it looks like. I'm adding in half a cup of red wine, a quarter cup of white wine, for this, I'm using Sauvignon Blanc, and the red wine I'm using is, I don't know how to say this, Cabernet Sauvignon.
Sauvignon Blanc.
Oh, okay. So we have basically the white and the red version of those two. This smells really good. Now I'm going to add in a couple of bay leaves and some star anise. I only ever use this for brisket. I've never used this in any other context, but it smells really good. So I'm just going to add in 4 of these. Now I'm going to add in a little bit of thinly sliced garlic. And next, we're going to add in half of our plums. So I'm just going to put these on the bottom. This gives it like a really good fruity flavor. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to layer our brisket on top. These tongs are very much struggling. I don't know if you can see, but they are not equipped to handle this large of a piece of meat, but we just need to make do because this is all I have. Now I'm going to add in the rest of our plums and just put these on top of the brisket. I'm going to cover my Dutch oven. And we're going to bake this at 325 for 3 to 4 hours. I'm going to check on it at 3 hours, see how it's doing, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you in a couple hours. I was about to bake this, but I realized I completely forgot to add the thyme, so I'm going to do that now. I just estimate and sprinkle some on top. Okay, now we are actually good to cook this brisket. Hi guys, it's been like 4 hours. I showered, I changed, like I feel like I lived a whole life. And now we're gonna take the brisket out and see if it's done. Ooh, that looks really good. I'm just gonna cut into this and see if it's ready. If it falls apart, that's a pretty good sign. Oh, it looks so good, oh my god. I think it needs a little bit of salt, but besides that, the flavors are really good. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, leave a comment. Let me know how you liked it. If you have any other brisket recipes, also let me know. This has kind of become like my go-to, but I'm open to trying other ones. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, I will see you next Sunday. Bye!